came back to Ireland a few weeks ago, and I was very happy that nothing else had happened of that sort of weird stuff. But apparently I'm not allowed to have a peaceful time. So I guess I'm gonna have to start filming again because this happened.
Jeff Evers. That's the creepiest thing ever. Oh.
Can we poke it with sticks?
What's up? She's on this sleep. Look at the silly sleeping meerkat. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it cute?
I think it's a joke.
Meerkat? Meerkat, darling.
She's joking.
Meerkat.
Never mind, she's joking.
Anyway, she should go up to bed.